It's another Mrs. Meyers hand soap shopping haul or unboxing, whichever you want it to be. It could be both. And I literally covered my information on the invoice with stickies that came with it. So this is everything I got and the prices. So as quickly as I can, they gave me this postcard with a coupon that maybe I could use online. And thank you, you're welcome. I never tried the lemonade scent one before, so I got a few of these. I've used rhubarb before, but I don't think I've used it in this packaging. Did they like vamp it up or something? I don't know. So I got some of these. I also got some acorn spice because I like these, they're nice. I got bluebell scent because I think I've used these before, but I don't remember, and I'm pretty sure I like these. I got apple cider, which is one of my faves. These are like more for the fall, maybe winter seasons, but they're wonderful. I love this fragrance, and I also love the apple one, which I'm currently using. And I got honeycomb, which I don't think I've ever used, and it sounds delicious. I love honey, so why not? Speaking of apple scent, I got some of these because I really like them, and of course I would want to get more because I like them. I also dig the clementine fragrance scent because I love the smell of oranges or clementines, and this is one of my favorites. And lastly, I got one compassion flower fragrance because I figured why not. It's a limited edition scent, and I have no idea what a compassion flower smells like, so I figured why not. And in this mess, I got a couple little hand soap samples. This one's geranium. And out of all the sample options, I thought this one might be okay. So I'm like, let me get one of these little samples. And then my other sample I got was plumberry, which I've used before and I liked. But I'm like, again, why not? They're like little hand soap samples. I mean, I could always give these away in a giveaway or like as a gift to somebody. Wash your hands. If you couldn't already tell, this girl here likes to wash her hands. Yes. Make sure you wash your hands. Talking to you. Wash your hands. These are all from Mrs. Meyers Clean Day, and yes, I bought all of them because you never know when you're going to need hand soap. And I like to keep my closet fully stocked. Don't forget to wash your hands.